Welcome to PCS Current News Program. The topic of discussion is India shines at Gulf Food Manufacturing. Gulf Food Manufacturing and Gulf Host 2024, the world's largest food and beverage industry event, began recently at the Dubai World Trade Center. The event is the biggest edition yet, featuring 3,000 exhibitors from over 100 countries and running until 7th November. Gulf Food Manufacturing and Gulf Host span 21 halls and feature cutting-edge solutions in food processing, packaging, and supply chain management. India has set a new record with 198 participating companies, highlighting the country's expanding influence in the global food industry. Indian participation highlights. The Indian Pavilion is organized by the Spices Board of India and the Engineering Export Promotion Council of India. India's presence includes agro producers, packaging innovators, and food processing companies showcasing advanced technologies. The strong representation emphasizes India's expertise in sustainable food processing and eco-friendly packaging solutions. Key themes presented by India include technological innovation, high product quality, and investment opportunities in the Indian market. Gulf Food Manufacturing 2024 commemorates its 10th anniversary with a special awards ceremony. The Gulf Food Manufacturing Awards will recognize groundbreaking products and technologies from the past decade. These awards celebrate innovations that have driven sustainability and redefined industry practices. The event continues to be a benchmark for food and beverage advancements and is an influential platform for industry transformation. The awards underscore the importance of sustainable development and industry leadership in shaping the future of food production. Now is the time for practice question. Where is Gulf Food Manufacturing and Gulf Host 2024 being held? Abu Dhabi, Dubai World Trade Center, Riyadh Expo Center, or Doha Convention Center? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.